Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa Muhammad. Uh, my respect to our lecturer, Dr. Budi, and my fellow student, and also my best colleagues here, uh, Mr. Husnul Amin. On this occasion, I'm honored to present a fascinating journal titled Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran Program, a study of living Al-Quran at Mantu Sleman, Yogyakarta. This journal delves into the Tasmi Al-Quran program conducted every Monday at Mantu Sleman, Yogyakarta, aimed at bringing the values of the Quran into the daily lives of students. And then I will present you the summary of this journal. This title is Enhancing Quran Literacy through the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program at Mantu Sleman. The abstract: this study explored the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri Tu Sleman, Yogyakarta, which aim to enhance Quranic literacy among students. The program is designed to integrate Islamic teaching into student daily lives, addressing the declining level of Quranic literacy in Indonesia by focusing on both memorization and recitation of the Quran. Methodology: the research employs Alfred-Scott phenomenological theory to delve into the motivation behind student participation in the program. The data were collected using qualitative methods, including interviews and observation with students, teachers, and school administration. Findings: the study identifies two main categories of motivation for student participation: because motive, which include fulfilling religious and school obligation, and in order to motive, which focus on personal spiritual growth and development. The program also encourages students, particularly those who are Hufaz, memorizer of the Quran, to regularly repeat and muraja'ah their memorization to maintenance fluency and accuracy. This practice is crucial as memorization of the Quran requires consistent review and care, to tending akin to tending to a camel. And then the challenges: student face several challenges, including low interest and ability in Quranic studies, lack of support for maintaining memorization, and the pressure of school obligation. Additionally, students often become engrossed in other activities in other activities such as watching movies or playing games, which detracts from their time for Quranic study. This distraction highlight the need for structured program like Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran to provide a disciplined approach to Quranic engagement. And then the benefit: despite these challenges, the program offers numerous benefits. It fosters spiritual growth, discipline, and social connection among students. The program provides a supportive environment for learning, which help improve student emotional well-being, discipline, focus, and intelligence. Social, the program strengthened silaturahmi, social bonds within the school community, fostering positive relationship among students and teachers. Moreover, the collective nature of the program creates an encouraging and motivating atmosphere, enhancing student enthusiasm and for participation. And then the cultural practices, an interesting cultural practice observed during the program in the placement of water bottles in front of Tasmi officer. It is believed that water exposed to Quranic recitation carries blessing and can positively influence those who consume it. This belief is supported by studies on the effect of positive messages on water molecules. And then the recommendation and conclusion will read by my colleague, Mr. Amin.
Enough, sir.
Yeah, please
Okay.
read
Okay.
recommendation and conclusion. Yeah,
The conclusion. Uh,
recommendation.
Scenario. Okay. Conclusion and suggestion. Suggestion after conclusion,
Recommendation.
sir. Recommendation.
Yeah, recommendation.
Yeah. Okay. Suggestion. The researchers would like to provide advice to several related parties through the study of the Living Al-Quran, including first, suggestion for readers to apply the result of the study regarding the process, reason, and purpose of the Living Al-Quran in real-life activities. Second, suggestion for the madrasah to improve and optimize facilities in the practice of the Living Al-Quran in the form of the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran activity programs so that they can run conductively and optimally. Third, suggestion for future research to use the result of this Living Al-Quran study on this phenomenological approach as a reference for further research in examining phenomena from a psychological aspect with different approach. And the conclusion of this article, I can read, uh, Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri Sek 2 Sleman is one of the method of habituation of the living Al-Quran in life. The program involves the role of the entire Madrasah Aliyah Negeri to academic community, including officers as tasmi speakers and all other academic members as participant or mustami. This program is full of educational processes starting from preparation to implementation of tasmi. The preparation process with various effective Quran learning method will affect the sustainability of tasmi activities. In the implementation tasmi, the implementation tasmi requires discipline and responsibility from both officer and participant. Discipline and responsibility in tasmi include pronunciation, reading speed, and fluency that officer and participant must take into account. Officer try to be disciplined and responsible to have the best performance or of memorizing the Quran as possible, while participants are disciplined and responsible for correcting readings as focused and correctly as possibly. The activities of Tasmi Al-Quran phenomenally have arisen for particular reasons and will unquestionable affect the community, which is the fundamental purpose of carrying out the activity. The reason and objectives of the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program include spiritual, academic, and social. Spiritually, the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program has emerged due to the feelings of guilt and sin had by the academic community of Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman, who are all Muslim, for having lack of attention in reading the Al-Quran, which is the obligation to Allah Almighty. These feelings have provided motivation to make the activity as a momentum and try to maximize the facilities by reading and memorizing the Quran more. From an academic point of view, the reason is the increasingly heartbreaking of the increasing degradation of Al-Quran literacy skill over the years. Therefore, Tasmi activities become facilities of learning and habituation to reading and memorizing the Quran. Moreover, the habituation of reading and memorizing the Quran has provided emotional improvement and calmness and has encouraged student discipline, focus, and intelligence. Socially, TASMI is a positive response to the programs and target formulated by teachers and school, as well as the momentum of gathering the entire academic community of Madrasah Aliyah to Sleman. This momentum has led to the creation of good social relation through the silaturahim among the entire community.
You may continue, sir. Suggestion.
Already I read.
Oh,
Already.
okay.
I was yeah.
Yeah, yes. This regarding this journal, I will to present question and answer between us,
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
me and my colleagues, Mr. Husul,
Mm.
and
Okay,
then
Mr. Zaki.
yes, sir.
Mm.
Uh, what is the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al Quran program and where is it implemented?
According to article, the Senin Bersinar Tasim Al-Quran program is implemented at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman in Yogyakarta. It's aimed to enhance Quran literacy and integrate Islamic teaching into student life by focusing on memorizing and recitation of the Al-Quran.
Yeah,
I
good, sir.
think that,
What are the main objective of the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al Quran program?
I think the main objectives of the program are to improve students' Quranic literacy, foster spiritual growth, discipline, and social connection, and address the low levels of Quranic literacy among youth in Indonesia.
Okay, sir. Okay. How does the program integrate Quranic memorization with values and motivation?
Okay, Mr. Zaki, I will to try to answer your question about this. That the program emphasizes correct pronunciation. So the reading tempo and the use of the Mus'af Quranic text involves the entire academic community and encourages collaborative learning where listen, health correct, and motivation tasking officers, fostering a deeper connection to our Quranic value in daily life, maybe.
Ewa.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And
Yeah.
then what are the because motive and in order to motives identified in the study regarding student participation?
From from this article, we know that the because motive refers to causal causal reasons such as fulfilling religion and school obligation, while in order the motivize a purpose-driven reason like worship, seeking blessing, and improving spiritual connection with Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
Yes, great answer, sir. Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
thank you.
what challenges do students face in the program and how does it aims to address them?
Students face challenges such as low interest and ability in reading and memorizing the Al-Quran, feeling of shame, and lack of support for maintaining memorizing quality. The program addresses this by providing a supportive environment, encouraging regular review or muraja'ah in Arabic, and fostering enthusiasm through peer achievement.
No,
I think that's it.
good, sir. Great answer.
Yeah. Okay.
And then what are the suggested improvement for the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program? I
The
think
research
this is,
suggests optimizing facilities, I think,
yeah.
and method for better implementation, and encourage future studies on the psychological aspect of such program to enhance their effectiveness.
No. And then what qualitative method were used in the study of gather data?
Okay, Mr. Zaid. The study employed qualitative method, including interviews and observation, and involving student, teachers, and school administration to explore motivation and the significance of the program or this tasmi, Senin Pesina Tasmi.
Yeah. Yes, sir. And then
Okay.
how does the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program benefit students socially?
Okay, Mr. Zaki, that the program fosters good social relations through silaturahim or social gathering among the entire academic community of Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman, and the social interaction helps create a positive atmosphere and strengthens community bond in Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman.
Yes, sir. Great, sir. What intrinsic motivation do students have for participating in the program?
Good that students are intrinsically motivated by the desire to worship to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and seek blessing and improve their spiritual connection with Allah. They also participate to enhance their emotional calmness, discipline, and intelligence.
Yes. And then what are some challenges related to student Quranic memorization in the program?
Okay, about the challenge, I think the challenge include a lack of support, and facilities for students who already have memorization, which affect their motivation to maintain the quality of their memorization. the focus often remain on the quantity rather than the quality of memorization.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
so you may then uh, you may ask, and I will try to
answer is yeah.
answer it.
Okay, okay, Mr. Zaki. So I want to ask you about this article. Yes. How does the program help students improve their Quranic uh, recitation skills, Mr. Zaki?
Yeah, I think based on the journal, the program provides a platform for students to measure and hone their skills and fluency in Quranic recitation. Mistakes are identified and corrected, which helps students avoid repeating them in the future. It also helps students build confidence when reciting in public.
Okay, Mr. Zaki, good. Uh, what is the significance of the program for visually disabled student?
Yeah, I think for visually disabled students, the program is a cherished activity that they look forward to. It provides them with an opportunity to participate in Quranic memorization and recitation, which they find fulfilling and motivating. Yeah.
Okay, good, your answer. And I want to ask again, how does the program address students' time management issues related to Quranic studies?
Yeah. I think the answer is the program provides structured opportunities for students to engage with the Quran, helping them overcome distraction such as entertainment and social activities. This structure encourages students to prioritize their religious obligation and spiritual growth.
Okay, Mr. Zaki, then what role does the academics community play in the success of this program?
I think the entire academic community, including students, teachers, and administrators, all these participate in the program. And this collective involvement creates a supportive environment that encourages students to engage in Quranic memorization and recitation.
Okay, uh, what is the focus of the study in this article, from this article,
Yeah, I
according
think
to you?
mentioned there, the study focuses on the meanings and motives behind the Senin Bersinar Tasmi Al-Quran program at uh, Mantu Sleman.
Okay,
Mhm.
uh, what the method were used in this research in this article?
Yeah. Uh, this the research employed qualitative methods, including literature studies, observation, interviews, and documentation. Yeah.
Okay, okay, Mr. Zaki. Uh, what are the because motive identified in the study?
Yeah. The because motive include awareness of religious obligation, low Al-Quran literacy skills, and lack of supporting factors in learning. I mean, is also
Okay.
laziness and also other things. Yeah.
Mm.
No.
Okay, okay. Uh, there are because motif, and so there are two order two motif. What are the two order two motif of this program, Mr. Zaki?
Yeah. I think the order to motive include getting closer to Allah, improving memorization quality, and strengthening friendship. I mean, like the silaturahim and also there. Yeah.
It's very good. There are strengthening friendship and worship to Allah. So, who were the respondents in the study?
The respondents consisted of 40 students and 10 teachers from Mantu Sleman.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
fine. Uh, my end question. What is the goal of Islamic education in the national education system, Mr. Zaki?
Yeah. Uh, this I think to enable students to understand, internalize, and practice Islamic teaching, allowing them to implement the values of Islamic teaching in their lives.
Okay, Mr. Zaki, from your answer, I understand deeply about this article. So it is very good and useful for me, maybe for you too. I think enough, Mr. Zaki. There
Uh,
is addition.
okay, I will add some question.
Okay, okay. Huh?
What is the significance of the Holy Quran in Islamic education?
Okay, okay. Yes. The Quran serves as complete and perfect guide, containing religious rule, source of knowledge, and life guidance too.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Good,
Okay,
sir. What
okay.
issue is highlighted regarding Quranic literacy among the younger generation?
Many circles in Islamic education have not paid sufficient attention to the Quran, leading to fragility in grounding the Quran in life.
Yeah, I think your answer is correct, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what percentage of high school student in like uh, like in Jogja city were
Oh, yeah.
found to have weak Quranic literacy?
Okay. Uh, Talking about presentation of high school student in Jogja, I think there are 80%, 80%, 18%, yeah, 18% of high school students in Jogja City were reported to have weak in Quranic literacy.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Um, what is the vision of Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman? The vision.
Okay. The vision of Madrasah Aliyah Negeri Tu Sleman is mewujudkan insan madrasah yang Islami, unggul, inklusif, and berwawasan lingkungan, or in English, producing Islamic, superior, inclusive, and environmentally sound madrasah people.
Aywa. Yes, sir. Good, sir.
Hmm.
And then, uh, what is the purpose of the TASMI program at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman?
The purpose program of Tasmid program in at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman uh, is to describe the because motive, and in order to motive of the Tasmi Al-Quran on Senin Bersinar program.
Yeah. And, and then uh, what is the purpose of data triangulation in the study?
Okay, the purpose.
Yeah, what is the purpose of data triangulation in the study?
Okay, okay. Purpose of data triangulation in study is performed to ensure the validity of the data by comparing observation data with interview data and relevant document. So,
Uh,
yeah,
Good, sir.
yeah.
Uh, and then, what are the two stages of Tasmi Al-Quran Senin Bersinar activity?
Okay, the two-stage preparation and second is implementation. I think that.
Yes,
mm,
sir. And then, what is the first step in preparatory stage?
Okay. The first step in preparatory state is uh, the learning process in class, I think.
Uh, and then, how long before the event should preparation be made?
Preparation should be made at least 7 days before the event, before Tasmi
Mm.
Bersinar Al-Quran.
Yeah. What method is used to teaching tajweed and ethic of reading the Quran?
Uh, for teaching tajweed and ethic of reading the Al-Quran, the method is the Tahsin method. Yeah, is used with combines theory and practice
Okay.
reading Al-Quran.
Okay, sir. Mm. What criteria are used to select Quranic Tasmi officers?
I think officer is very important for teaching of Al-Quran. So officer must have memorized and submitted just to the teacher.
Yeah. Mm. And then, how are readings set with Tasmi officers?
Okay. Readings are set via a WhatsApp group by the guidance teachers.
Okay. And then, what is the purpose of Murojaah and like takrir for Tasmi officers?
Okay, the purpose of Murajaah and Takrir for Tasmi officer, they are mean to improve, yeah, to improve the quality of one's memorization through repetition in reading Quranic.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, um, what does the opening stage of the implementation consist of?
It consists of, I think, congregational, like duha prayer, yeah, conditioning student, and an opening session.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, no. What is the importance of pronunciation in reading in Quran?
The importance of pronunciation in reading the Quran is uh, crucial as errors can affect the meaning. Yeah. And the uh, error in reading Al-Quran is affect the meaning, making correct pronunciation mandatory.
Mhm.
I think that.
Yeah. And then how does tempo influence memorization during tasmi?
Tempo affects focus and strength of memorization with balance speed, improving accuracy and listener engagement.
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
And then what is the expected reading speed for tasmi officer at Mantu Sleman, Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Sleman?
Okay, based on the article, the reading speed for one choose is 30 minutes with a minimum of 3 to 5 minutes for two pages.
Okay. Um, why is the use of Musaf important in the tasmi process?
The Mus'ab helps assess whether students can recite from memory and improve the quality of their memorization too.
Yeah. Um, and then what are some reason students feel they do not have time to read the Quran?
So students often feel overwhelmed, offer overwhelmed by schoolwork. Schoolwork uh, it is often students feel overwhelmed of by schoolwork and extracurricular activities, leading to a lack of time for reading the Al-Quran.
Yeah, wow. And then what is the because motive according to Alfred School?
Oh, okay, okay. Uh, because motive is the causal reason for an action derived from a long and mature process of evaluation and consideration.
Yeah. How do distraction affect student ability to read the Quran?
Uh, Distraction such movies, like games and socializing can lead students to take time for granted or resulting in less time spent reading the Al-Quran, maybe.
Yeah. Uh, and then maybe this the last question, sir.
Okay, okay. So,
Mm, what uh, what is the purpose of punishment? Uh, I repeat it. What is the purpose of the punishment given by the school for not participating in TASMI activities?
okay, it is very important for this program, I think, to application implementation this program. So there are reward and punishment, and the purpose of this punishment given by the school for not participating in TASMI is uh, so the punishment aims to provide determine okay, I repeat again. The punishing aims to provide a deterrent effect to avoid and inhibit the development of any unwanted behavior.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Uh, uh, that concludes our presentation on Senir Bersina Tasmi Al-Quran program at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2, Sleman, Yogyakarta. We hope the insight shared today have been helpful in understanding how this program has contributed for or to fostering a deeper connection with the Quran among the student. Now, we would like to open the floor uh, and after our question and answer and discussion with my colleagues, Mr. Kusnul, Amin,
Yes. Thank you.
uh, and then I will happy to address my uh, appreciation. And then once again, thank you for your time and participation. We look forward to the discussion ahead. Inshallah, bismillah.
Amin. Amin.
Ya. Jazakallah khairan, barakallahu fikum. Allahumma shalli ala Muhammad, subhanaka bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.